The Turks and Caicos Islands is a British dependent territory consisting of 40 islands and keys, of which only 8 are inhabited. Today we board Catch the Wave charters and head out onto the spectacular turquoise waters for some fun and adventure.
Chillin', 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 chillin' in the sun. In the Turks and Caicos Islands, we're having so much fun. Chillin', 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 chillin' in the sun. In the Turks and Caicos Islands, we're having so much fun.
The only one on Fort George right now. Can you imagine that could be you? Come on, let's go explore Fort George.
Fort George Key is one of the many uninhabited keys in the Turks and Caicos Islands. You can reach Fort George from Providenciales only by boat. Trips can be arranged for picnics, snorkeling, or to experience a deserted island adventure.
So how cool is this for an experience? I've seen lots of starfish before. Of course, they're mostly dried out and in souvenir shops, but we actually see a real one right here, which is kind of cool.
Oh, how I wish this trip will never end, but I know for sure I'll be back again. Chillin', 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 chillin' in the sun. In the Turks and Caicos Islands, we're having so much fun. Chillin', 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 chillin' in the sun. In the Turks and Caicos Islands, we're having so much fun.